Hello everyone, welcome to Hostnali. I'll be your host Jeff. We will be making tutorials on this channel from placing the order to creating a website to customizing a website, creating emails, transferring a website, and every other video related to web design, hosting, domain management, cPanel, reseller hosting, VPS, as well as dedicated servers. So kindly, if you're new to this channel, subscribe so that you don't miss out on these upcoming tutorials. For today's video, I'll be taking you through how to place an order on our website. So I'll show you how to make an order for domain registration as well as hosting. On our homepage, when you scroll down, you'll see the hosting packages. We have 4 hosting packages. Depending on your hosting needs, you'll choose the one that will work best for you. For this demonstration, we'll be using the standard package. So we click on buy now. You get to this page. So you have 3 options. You can register a new domain, you can transfer a domain to us. This applies if you have a domain registered elsewhere and you want to transfer it to us. You just type it here and select the correct domain extension, or you can use an existing domain and update name servers. What this means is that you have a domain registered somewhere else or even within our system. So this means the domain that you want to use is already registered either with us or somewhere else. So you just type the domain here and specify the domain extension, then click on use. So for this demonstration, we are going to register a new domain. So you select on register. We type the domain. I want to register the domain fuel.co.ke. So you just type in fuel, then select .co.ke. If it's .com, you just select .com. If it's any other domain extension, there are so many. So we select .co.ke, then you click on check. When you click on check, the system checks if the domain is available for registration. If it's available, you'll see this message, and it also shows you other domain extensions that may be available for registration. If it gives you the message, congratulations, the domain is available, you just click on continue. Now on this page, you just confirm that you've selected the standard package, and then the billing is annually. Unless you want to change to biannually or triannually, you don't have to do anything. Then you click on continue. So basically on this page, you're not changing anything. On this page, you're confirming the domain that you're registering, and that is fuel.co.ke. You can enable ID protection if you want to. Then you click on continue. Now on this page, you just confirm that you have a hosting and a domain. So remember, this package comes with a free domain registration for .co.ke. That's why you're seeing the amount here, it's 0. If it was the starter package, for example, the amount would be 999 and this would be 1350, a total of 2349. So for this case, domain registration is included for free, and then the hosting package is 3600. So if everything is okay, you click on checkout. Now on this page, if you're already a client of ours, you can click here and log in. If you're not, you can just fill in the details to sign up. So remember to use an email that you can access, preferably Gmail, and a password that you can remember. The email and the password will be used to log into our website. If you check our website, at the top right, you will see client login. So the details that you fill in during the order are the ones that you'll be using to log in here, the email and the password. So fill in the details, then once done, you select the payment method. We will use Lipa na M-Pesa for our tutorial. Come here and complete the order. So once you complete the order, you'll be able to see the invoice, and this is how the invoice looks like. You can change the payment method if you want to. Maybe you want to use PayPal, you can just select PayPal, and then you click on pay, or you can pay once or subscribe, or you can select Lipa na M-Pesa. For our case, we'll use Lipa na M-Pesa. Then you'll see the payment instructions here, and just check again to confirm that everything is okay. When you make an order, you'll receive an email. So checking the email, you'll receive two emails. One is for the invoice and the other one is for order confirmation. Just the details of what you order, the order number. So then you can just come back here and complete the payment. So I'll make the payment and then I'll see you on the other side. So I've already made the payment, so I just come and paste in the code, then I click on validate. Just give it some time and then that's it. So this is the end result. Now on this page, you just click on continue to client area. You'll now see one service and one domain. So I have several, that's why it's showing up as 5 and 15. After making the payment, you'll receive a few emails from us. The first one is the invoice payment confirmation, and it just shows that your invoice is paid. It's a PDF you can download for reference. And then the second one is the new account information. This one is an email containing your cPanel passwords, as you can see. So the passwords are available for you to use. We'll tackle these in our later tutorials on how to access the cPanel. Then the name servers are also included and any other important information. Then on this end, there is the domain registration confirmation email. I'm just showing you the domain has been registered and it's from which date to which date. So that is how to place an order for domain registration and hosting. And now this is your client area. If you need to place another order, you just click on services, order new service. If you want to register a domain, just click on domains, then register new domain. In our future tutorials, we'll be showing you how to create an email, create a website, and generally how to manage your hosting space and all the customizations that you can do with your website to get the most out of your hosting space. I've been your host, Jeff. Until next time, bye-bye.